In the heart of India, a group of young footballers dared to dream beyond borders. They weren't just chasing a trophy, they were chasing respect. Minerva Academy FC, where potential becomes purpose. Founded not with riches, but with resolve. A place where dusty fields forged discipline. Where dreams were louder than facilities. Where boots were often shared and jerseys earned. And yet, from these humble roots came national team players. This was no ordinary academy. This was a factory of belief. But belief was about to be tested on a global pitch.
कैसे 2 साल बाद
दोबारा
किच कैसी है?
अच्छी है, एक्साइटेड है, जल्दी जल्दी हमारे पास आए हैं।
और ये नया लड़का है इधर। और भाई तुम?
सेमी कराता हूँ। ठीक है सर, आप कैसे?
मैं तो ठीक हूँ भाई। कुछ तेरे वहाँ पे झारखंड के लोगों के लिए कुछ बोला तूने?
हाँ,
पहले किस कैसी लगी?
इस तो बहुत अच्छा है।
बेस्ट किट कौन सा?
ब्लू वाला।
ब्लू इंडिया वाला।
जिनके नाम पे हमने ये एकेडमी रखी है, बट लिखते जब अंदर आते हैं क्या लिखा होता है? लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल दियोल्स मिनर्वा अकेडमी। यस,
So that's when he started in 1955 and is now in our 70th year, 70 साल, 70 years, imagine. I was not alive even 70 years ago. Your parents were not alive. So this is the legacy institute has been going on. But the moment you come in to see something here, the first line you see, the safety, honor and welfare of your country comes first. मतलब क्या है? ये बताया कि ऑफिसर दो का है कैसे सोचता है। पहली चीज़ उसके दिमाग में कितनी चीज़ें होती है? सिर्फ 2। क्या पहली चीज़ क्या होती है? मेरी कंट्री ठीक है, मतलब जो मैं काम करने लगा हूँ इससे मेरी कंट्री को कोई हार्म नहीं होएगा और गर्व होएगा। दैट मीन्स दे बी प्राउड ऑफ इट। ये तुम्हें चाहिए। That's how you think. First comes what? What comes first?
जी।
So today, we make a salute that from 12 p.m. today, on the 4th, when it turns into the 5th, on the stroke of the midnight hour, we arise, not as Minervans. We arise as From today onwards, remember, it's not about Minerva anymore. There is no Minerva. There's nothing known as Minerva. There's only India. You don't play for Minerva anymore. Once you leave from here at 12 o'clock, you're representing India. On the field, off the field. Off the field also, your behavior, on the field also. Minerva. No. India. That is why हर जगह पे मैंने flag दिया है. You see the flag everywhere.
But now, they were on their way to one of Europe's grandest youth tournaments. With Step Out guiding them, this wasn't just a match day. This was a movement, a leap from local grounds to global arena. This is the rise. From Chandigarh's summer to Helsinki's chill, from familiar chatter to unfamiliar languages, it was more than a culture shock. It was a football shock. Pitch conditions, opponent pace, tactical structures, everything was new. But football was still 90 minutes, still 11v11. And Minerva, they were ready to speak that language.
डेनमार्क वहाँ अल्बर्ग सॉरी इधर ही होइरुंग जगह है वहाँ पे। होइरुंग से फिर हम वापस गौतमबर्ग से ट्रेन लेंगे ओस्लो से वापस इंडिया विथ क्या जल्दी बोल विथ 4 ट्रॉफीज मैन।
Yeah, first is Finland, second Sweden, Gothenburg, then we have to go for Denmark, then Norway. There are 4 countries.
Then I'm saying we'll be back with 4 trophies.
Yeah.
कोई डाउट है तो कुछ में?
ना डाउट तो नहीं है कुछ
भाई, इसीलिए तो डरूँ भाई कि हम जीतने वाले हैं ना, हारने वाले के साथ नहीं आता। क्या भी कुछ हमें मैंने पहले बोले हम जीतेंगे विद ऑल ऑड्स। क्योंकि फर्स्ट टाइम था हमारा. I trust you boys. I trust the coaches. I trust Ranjit sir. I trust Minerva, to be honest, in these things. We're born champions, man. चल, good night. अब डिस्टर्ब नहीं करूँगा तेरे को, ना तू मेरे को करना.
Good night. Good
Good
night.
night. Good night तो बोल दे.
Good night.
तेरे को मैं ना 30 डेज़ के अंदर बोलना सिखा दूंगा, प्रॉमिस. तू भी स्पीच देगा मेरे व्लॉग्स में, हैं? पक्का ना? We finally arrived in Helsinki after so much of hassle. How are you feeling right now, sir, after being landed in Helsinki?
Okay, after this hassle, now we are relaxed because we all have reached and collect our luggage. Now we are moving to our place where we have to stay, and now the challenge is how to reach there and getting the boys ready for tomorrow's match, and that is more important thing which we have to prepare now. From tomorrow onwards, the mission starts. Mission trophies starts.
Correct. At 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, we have the first match. So we'll be sharing the details of the match, and stay tuned.
Okay, boys. So, affirmations, which we had done earlier. Affirmations means just talking to yourself. रोनाल्डो को देखा था ना, वीडियो दिखाए थे, अपने आप से बात करता है. अपने आप से बात करो. I'm confident, calm, ready. I trust my game. I trust my training. I will give my 100%. I will have the best match of my life. I will make sure I will make my team win. I will do everything in my power. So, today we do game plan reflection. We all know our roles. So, let's now in our minds, जो तुमको बताया था, हमारे roles and responsibilities क्या हैं, जो भी याद आते हैं, जरूरी नहीं है कि oh my god याद नहीं आ रहा, कुछ नहीं होता.
So this is the mental training. So we've trained every muscle of the body. So we've not left anything. इसका सबसे ज़्यादा memorable है. तो ये हमने काफ़ी चीज़ें यूज़ की थी, tools for visualization, for self affirmations. Self affirmation जैसे रोनाल्डो करता है पेनल्टी लेने से पहले. I have done this a lot of times. I'm doing this. Like I believe in myself. I'm going to score. I'm going to score. So even Ronaldo needs to do that. So people think, oh, ये क्यों कर रहे हैं? Imagine somebody who's done that so many times like Ronaldo. He does it. So these boys definitely should learn now. Why should they learn when they become Ronaldo? Because if it helps Ronaldo, it will definitely help them. Because trust me, Ronaldo has much more confidence than these boys. So that being said, we have used not only this but everything which Olympic athletes do, so that these boys and footballers somehow, even not in India, all over the world, they don't think that this is a big part. This is 99% of it. How much you believe in yourself, how confident you are. मैं एग्जांपल देता हूँ. तुमने जब पेनल्टी ले रहे हो मैच में और तुमने पेनल्टी ली और उसने सेव कर ली, तुम्हारी ये मिस हो गई, तो अगली पेनल्टी लोगे ना, तुम्हारा 50% होएगा, या ओ माय गॉड पिछली बार सेव हो गई थी. और अगर तुमने पेनल्टी पिछली स्कोर की हुई है ना, बात ही अलग होती है, बिकॉज मैं ठोकूंगा. सो दैट सेल्फ डाउट which comes is the difference between the top players and the lob is not in the field, is what they can do under pressure. That's what happens. So under pressure, घर पे पेनल्टी मारनी और मैच में पेनल्टी मारनी, what difference? That's what I mean.
The whistle blew, and Minerva's Helsinki chapter roared into life. They opened up with a ruthless 5-0 win against HJK, Finland's own powerhouse. Then came Lopa, 7-0. KR Reykjavik of Iceland, 9-0. Of Stirling, 3-0, and then the toughest yet. Espanyol's Finland Academy edged out with a hard-fought 1-0. No goals conceded, momentum unbroken.
going around you, and then the JK scout and the coach came to you and talked about two of our players, Tony and Johan, I believe, and they also said they want to play a match against the senior team, like us, like they would like to us two players, upper team. So what are your thoughts? Because I think we are not only scoring goals, we are changing perception of all the European people that Indians can do play football and good football.
Good football, because he was impressed by our intensity and the way we were playing and pressing, high pressing, and not allowing them to play, and then keeping the ball possession, playing short passes, not playing aerial balls, or we are trying to put them using the half space. So he was tactically, and he wants to know more about our academy, and he offered us that he wants to he is keen to play a match with his first team, like the players who can be challenge our team. So he want to they want to play with us.
Next.
Tomba hai? Abey Tomba baar. Oi, Tomba.
Ai cho cái nào không? Tôi khi nào này sao không bảo?
Oi.
Tin
Phone ले.
नहीं सर फोन दे दो ना.
फोन दे दे सर को दे दे. ओए टोम्बा, तू तो यार भाई सुपरस्टार निकला. ओए टोनी तेरा नाम चेंज अब से.
खत्म कर दो भाई.
टोम्बा, come on टोम्बा. कौन सा चूज करेगा? क्या चाहिए?
तीनों मार दी.
हाय गुड तंबे. किसका? ओनली वन चांस, वन ना. थ्री. ये नो वी प्ले 1v1 and 1.
भाई का
बहुत आगे ना खा दूं. चीटर.
नहीं कहीं भी रख सकते हैं.
चल ठीक है. 20 bro. 20 भाई. ओए अमर सर ने 53 मारा था.
अमर सर 53.
हाँ
स्ट्रेट टारगेट. नहीं ये 23 बोल रहा हो तो.
नहीं 50 अमर सर ने मारा था. रुक जा. वैसे मार पावर करके बस ना यार. 67 क्या है? 67 क्या भाई मेरा? It is good. What's the record? What is the highest record? I hit 67 just now. अरे यार 4 और रुक जा, एक और मारेगा अभी. 70. अरे यार. Oh, cute try.
I'm third place.
I scored 67. Yeah, thank you. क्या खुश हो आज आप?
बहुत खुश है.
3-0. हाँ 3-0
से वो what a busy day.
नहीं, but the thing is, obviously we gave everyone game time.
Yeah.
That's there. We give
And in the
everyone-
last match we know कि we have a tough matches.
Yeah, we rested
That's
to play.
why
Then
with
the
our-
intensity also, we were trying to not to play physical there because बहुत मार रहे थे वो
बहुत मार रहे थे.
लोग. बारिश भी बहुत
Or we
ज़्यादा
want to save our main players. So
हाँ,
that's why that's the
obviously.
main reason.
थी. And we have 3
That's why-
injuries also.
Yeah. But it doesn't matter कि जो हमारे player अंदर थे they are not good. But just for the game time and the match experience, that's why we put them in.
Yeah, true. And we tried some plays in the new positions also. We rested Tokchong, one of main centre back, and then we tried someone else.
Yeah,
Wilson playing.
we tried Emerson as
Yeah.
a right back. So more work on defending.
True. That's there.
Against seasoned teams, instinct wasn't enough. That's where Step Out came in. Their AI-backed insights transformed Minerva's preparation. Opponent breakdowns, press triggers, heat maps, workload tracking. Step Out wasn't just a tool, it was the team's secret weapon. In a sport often ruled by gut feeling, Minerva had data. In a world-class tournament, they had a world-class edge. Knockouts were no different. Round of 32, 7-0.
From close to Minerva.
Close to Minerva. Oh, you know about us?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. So you liked our boys? How they played?
Yeah, really good. Really fast. And destroyed
I
us.
think this team that I saw just playing here, they made the long passes, cross passes. They keep it on the field. Very skillful boys. Very physical boys also. Very powerful sprinting. and they like to make a lot of cutback passes.
Yeah.
So create spaces and possibilities to score for our
What do you
players.
think? Can we win this Helsinki Cup?
I think what I've been watching these games in this age group also, I think you're the number one now in my calendar.
Thank you so much.
To be
Means a
honest.
lot. Thank you so much. Means a lot. Thank you.
Thanks.
As a honor. Yeah. And we have Dhaliwal. Where is Dhaliwal? We have this one for you also.
Yes.
Thank you so much, guys. Done. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं ना यार, यही तो मज़ा दिलाती हैं. मतलब हम लोगों को परसेप्शन चेंज करना है भाई कि हम फुटबॉल खेल सकते हैं.
मार्किंग देम, ठीक है. और ये टोनी या और टोनी को लिए 3v3 ये सब हमारे जो मिडफील्ड है मैन टू मैन व्हेन दे बिल्ड अप. और अगर ये उधर बॉल कहीं जाती है तो ये फुल बैक एंड दे पुश. डोंट फॉरगेट. ओके. अगर ये बॉल
So that is कल हमने पहला गोल करा. We finished the match and then we can make sure that we get more everybody game time. Then enough rest, enough game times. Every match is going to be like this because now it's not about winning. It's only just कि सबसे जो fit रहेंगे ना हमारे लड़के. That means we are saving from injury and we are saving from being overtired. That is why we will be playing everybody one by one. We will be giving everyone a chance. We want everyone to be. हमने देखा सबको हमने. So like today we've got again main players out. Yesterday also. So we have to make sure we give very high intensity. Weather is perfect. ऐसा weather है जैसे हम AC में खेल रहे हैं. Imagine you're playing in AC man. You don't require anything else. So give it your best. Do not इतना सा भी नहीं छोड़ना. कल हमने जो easy missing की है, टाइम कहाँ लगाना है? टाइम लगाना बॉक्स के अंदर आके. तुम बॉक्स के अंदर टाइम नहीं लगाते हो, बाहर तुम टाइम लगाते हो. टाइम कहाँ लगाना है बॉक्स में? बाहर नहीं लगाना. बाहर one touch. Here, take your time. Like Raj had to Take your time.
बता रहा था मैं कि मिडफील्ड में तो ले ऑफ कर, बॉक्स में टर्न कर.
वहाँ पे तो टर्न करता है, वहाँ तेरे पीछे बंदा खड़ा होता है. एवरी सिंगल टाइम यू टर्निंग इनटू द पर्सन.
Round of 16, 5-0.
What? Can you
Just zoom it. In 1952, 5 Olympic football matches were played at the Tulo football fields during the Helsinki Olympics. Yugoslavia versus India.
And we lost 10-1.
10-1. Okay.
Italy Hungary.
This is the time
To take the revenge.
कर लेंगे बदला.
Yes.
वहाँ नेशनल फ्लैग दिखा मेरे को भी.
same ground.
Same ground. Same vibe. And we'll create history again.
But the
Oh.
score will be changed.
Definitely indeed. And we'll leave the trophy. अच्छा वो नॉकआउट मैच था क्या? एक ही मैच होता है, बाहर हो गए थे.
First match.
ओह नॉकआउट था आई थिंक, क्वार्टर फाइनल है ना? नहीं कितने खेलते? 5. एक को बाय मिला होगा. ब्राजील भी थी इसमें यार.
Same Jogo.
और यहाँ पे वो भी खेला आई थिंक ना अपना पेले इस ग्राउंड में.
Quarter-final, 3-0.
Chetan Tiwari. Chetan, other Chetan, and then we've got Yuenba, and then we've got Rajan Pitla. Listen, 1-2s. I only want 1-2s, and I only want give and goes, pass, short pass, fucking play, kill them. Kill them with what? With your speed. Because you can't just do 1-2 and not move. Give and go and move. Okay? We've scored beautiful goals today. Okay, let's catch some more of them. Let's get this crowd something to cheer about. Let's show them what Indians are all about. Because we are champions. Who are we? Champions! Hey, fucking, I can't hear me. Fucking everyone should be videos there. Who are we? Champions! Who are we? Champions! On 3 India, come on boys. 1, 2, 3, India!
Semi-final, Stjarnan of Iceland 2-0. 10 straight clean sheets, every strike precise, every counter clinical.
पूरा क्राउड तालियां बजा रहा है भाई. जो 50-60 साल पहले एलसी के क्राउड हमको हंस रहा था तो फुटबॉल खेलना नहीं आता, आज वो हमारे लिए तालियां बजा रहे हैं. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस. कैसा लग रहा है?
Oh my God, amazing. Now tomorrow we are going to play in the main stadium where our Indian team played, and Pele have played in that team, that field. And tomorrow we are going to create history. That let's wait for the
Finale
moment.
tomorrow.
Yeah. So definitely we are going to create history.
Indeed, so definitely we will be. इसमें क्या खुशी हो तो हम हो गए था बस, तभी तब मैं खुश होएगा, तब मैं खुश होएगा. वो अभी थोड़ी खुश होनी है, तब खुश होने ना. अंदर से हम बहुत खुश हो. बच्चों को कैसे बताऊं भाई, इतना खुश कभी नहीं हुआ. फर्स्ट टाइम भाई, और इनके सामने दिखाना नहीं है. पक्का पिज़्ज़ा डन है. तुझे दो खिलाऊंगा तेरे को. बोल जो तुझे बोलूं, जो बोल तू, सब डन है. जस्ट क्विक वन. आर यू हैप्पी?
I'm very relieved. Very relieved. It was a good match. This team has just beaten both the Amsterdam champions and beaten Sporting Lisbon in the final. So this is one of the best teams in Europe apparently.
Then, the final, PK35, Finland. 90 minutes, one decisive moment. For the first time in the entire tournament, Minerva's net rippled. 1-0, runners-up. Back home, football's path isn't always clear. But this journey carved one. Minerva learned how to blend heart with hardware. And step out, it didn't just improve performance, it built belief. For every young footballer watching, this was proof. The gap with Europe isn't unreachable, it's just unmeasured. Now it's being mapped, one data set at a time.
हमने ऐसा फुटबॉल नहीं देखा है पहले. बहुत अच्छा खेला आपने, बहुत ही जबरदस्त. आई होप यू गाइस डोंट अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी. Yeah, okay, that's good. It's okay, it happens. You guys should come next year. Absolutely, absolutely. You can find us here.
Yeah. नेक्स्ट ईयर बिग क्राउड लेके आएंगे और बिग क्राउड से सपोर्ट करना है. क्या खेला लेकिन गजब था. एक ही गोल वो
आज ही होना था. और
My God.
Don't lose heart. Don't be sad. You guys have done tremendous job.
We'll see the World Cup 34.
Yeah.
30 they deserve a big match.
Absolutely.
I can't hear you. What do we do?
Wake up.
So if we make up, then when do we make up? There's the next tournament, the next tournament, the next tournament. It's not ended, man.
Absolutely.
Come on.
It's not only about winning trophies. I was telling from the day one also in the vlogs. It's not about winning trophies, it's about changing the perception of people, how we play football, how Indians can play football. We can keep the ball, we can dominate people, we can force people playing low block against us, and that I think we have achieved. This no one can deny.
They came back as runners-up, but they returned as revolutionaries. They showed India what football could look like, with the right tools, the right mindset, and the right dream. This is more than a story. This is a beginning. Minerva rose in Helsinki, and with Step Out beside them, the rise is just getting started.